Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study medicine and surgery effectively. Start by building a solid foundation in basic sciences, which are crucial for understanding complex medical topics. Focus on active learning techniques, like explaining concepts aloud, to deepen your comprehension. Regular review sessions, perhaps 20 to 30 minutes daily, will significantly improve long-term retention. This approach helps you connect theory with practical application. To master core medical concepts, begin by breaking down large subjects into smaller, digestible parts. Use visual tools like diagrams and flowcharts to simplify complex pathways and processes. Engaging with clinical case studies helps you apply theoretical knowledge to real-world scenarios. Collaborating in study groups, even for just 1 hour weekly, can clarify difficult material and offer new perspectives, making learning more interactive and effective. For surgery, focus on understanding surgical anatomy in detail. Watching high-quality surgical videos is invaluable for visualizing procedures and steps. Hands-on practice, like suturing and knot tying, is essential for developing fine motor skills. Aim for 15 minutes of practice daily. Also, grasp the principles of preoperative assessment and postoperative management, as these are critical components of surgical patient care, ensuring comprehensive understanding. To ensure effective retention and application, consistently test your knowledge using practice questions and quizzes. Actively seek feedback from mentors or peers to identify areas for improvement. Always try to link new information with what you already know, building a robust mental framework. Remember, maintaining a healthy work-life balance, perhaps dedicating 30 minutes to a hobby daily, is vital for sustained learning and preventing burnout in this demanding field.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.